In this video, I'm going to show you how to add font in Premiere Pro. Now, this works in the 2024 version as well as all the previous versions and all the upcoming versions of Premiere Pro. So the first thing you want to do is find a font you'd like to add inside the Premiere Pro. So I suggest this website from Google called Google Fonts. And then you have to find a font you'd like to get in there. So in my case, I'd like a font that I know and is named Anton, as you can see. So you just simply click on the font and then click on Get Font over here. Then press on Download All. And your font is going to download as a zip folder first. And then what you want to do is open your downloads on your computer where the font downloaded, and then extract that folder. So right click and then extract all. Select the destination. In my case, it's going to be the downloads folder, so in here. And then once that's done, you simply double click on the extracted folder and you have your Anton regular font in here. And at the end it says TTF in case you have those little marks enabled. You're going to see this. If not, don't worry, this is the correct document. It has that little ABG on it. Once you zoom in, you click on this and then you're going to see this window where there's going to be a bunch of sample text, as you can see. And then what you want to do is type in press and install, excuse me. And then the font will be installed once this is grayed out and you cannot click on it anymore. So once that's done, you go back into your Premiere Pro and then you have some text in there. If you click on it and try to change the font, as you can see, it's now selected. Now I'm going to search for Anton, and as you can see, the Anton font is over here and I can now use it and it's been added inside the Premiere Pro.